Hi. In this short video, I'll explain the types of resistors. So keep watching. There are three main types of resistors. First, fixed resistors. Second, variable resistors. Third, non-linear resistors. First type, fixed resistors. Fixed resistors have a constant resistance value, so their resistance cannot be adjusted. The five common types are carbon composition, carbon film, metal oxide film, and wire wound resistors. First is the carbon composition resistor. It is made from carbon powder and resin. It is low cost but less accurate, and it is mainly used in older electronic circuits. Next is the carbon film resistor. It is made by depositing a thin carbon film on a ceramic rod. It offers better accuracy and stability than carbon composition resistors and is commonly used in electronic devices. Next is the metal film resistor. It is made from a thin metal film. It provides high accuracy, low noise, and excellent stability. It is commonly used in measurement and precision circuits. Next is the metal oxide film resistor. It uses a metal oxide coating. It can withstand high temperatures and high voltages. It is commonly used in power supplies and industrial electronics. Finally, the wire wound resistor. It is made by winding resistance wire around a ceramic core. It can handle high power and is commonly used in power circuits and motor control applications. Second type of resistor is variable resistors. Those allow the resistance value to be adjusted. There are three main types: potentiometer, rheostat, and trimmer, also called a preset resistor. Next up, potentiometer. It is a variable resistor having three terminals. It is used for voltage control across a circuit, and one of the most common examples is the volume knob on your audio equipment. As you turn the knob, you adjust the resistance to raise or lower the volume. Rheostat, two terminals resistor, used for controlling current. Slide the slider, adjust resistance, and regulate current flow. Next is trimmer, or preset resistor, a tiny adjustable resistor mounted right on circuit boards. It's used for fine-tuning and calibration during production. The third and final type of resistors is non-linear resistors. Their resistance changes based on external conditions like temperature or light. Main types include thermistors, light-dependent resistors, LDRs, and varistors, VDRs. First is thermistor. Resistance changes with temperature. It's used for temperature sensing and circuit protection. Second is light-dependent resistor, or LDR. Its resistance changes with light intensity. Commonly used in light sensors and automatic street lights. Third and final resistor is varistor, or VDR. Its resistance changes with applied voltage. Used heavily for surge and lightning protection. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe to my channel.